Have you ever felt stuck while life moves fast around you? Sam was a good student, but he always felt a little worry inside. He often thought, how do I find a good life? What is my real purpose? He wanted to do something important, to make his life matter. This thinking made him quiet and sad. He stayed alone in his house, away from other people. His grandfather saw that Sam was different. One day, the old man asked Sam to join him in the garden. "Sam," he said in a soft voice, "you are so quiet now. What is on your mind?" Sam looked down. "Grandfather, I want to know how to live well. People say I should be great, but I do not know how." His grandfather smiled gently. He picked up a small stone from the ground. "See this stone?" he said. "It knows a few big secrets about life. It has 5 simple stories to tell." Sam seemed unsure. "A stone? What can a stone teach me?" "Please listen," his grandfather said. "First, a stone is shaped by the weather and the water. We also are shaped by the people and events around us. We need this help to grow." "Second," he went on, "a stone gets smoother over time. The river makes it rough before it becomes smooth. Our own hard times make us stronger and better in the end." The third story is that a stone is very patient. It stays where it is for a long, long time. We can learn to be calm and steady even when things are difficult. Fourth, the true worth of the stone is not its outside color, but its strong inside. Your real value is your heart, your kindness, your honesty, your good character. And the fifth and last story, the old man said, his voice warm and sure, "A stone is part of a bigger path. It helps other stones make a road. Your life can also help others. The aim is not to be the best, but to be useful. Try to make the way easier for those who come after you." Sam did not speak. He thought about the words, and he felt a new peace inside him. Now he understood. "Grandfather, it is not about one big success. It is about the small steps I take and the good I can do for other people." The old man nodded, his eyes happy. Yes, remember, even a simple stone can be a great teacher if you are ready to listen. Your importance comes from what you do, not what you have. If this story helped you today, please like this video and follow Voice of Light for more.